rotary radio-controlled aircraft are scale models designed to closely resemble real-life fighter jets, bombers, and helicopters used by armed forces around the world. These miniature replicas combine advanced aerodynamics, powerful electric or gas-powered engines, and detailed exteriors to mimic the appearance and performance of their full-sized counterparts. Popular among hobbyists, collectors, and enthusiasts, military RC aircraft offer an immersive experience of aviation and combat simulation. Many feature retractable landing gear, functional lights, and even jet turbine engines. Whether displayed or flown, here are some of the insane RC models that look exactly like real military aircraft. The Freewing F-22 Raptor. The Freewing F-22 Raptor 90mm EDF jet is a high-performance, scale replica of the iconic US Air Force stealth fighter, designed for experienced RC pilots seeking cutting-edge performance and realism. Powered by a 90mm 12-blade EDF unit and a potent 6S-compatible brushless motor, the jet delivers impressive thrust, speed, and turbine-like sound, bringing an authentic fighter jet experience to the skies. Crafted from durable EPO foam with carbon reinforcements, the F-22 features sharp detailing, including panel lines, weapon bay outlines, and an accurate silhouette that mirrors the real 5th-generation stealth aircraft. Functional features include electric retracts with shock-absorbing struts, full flying stabs and flaps, enhancing both stability and agility during flight. With a wingspan of approximately 44 inches and a length of nearly 68 inches, the Freewing F-22 is designed for smooth, stable, high-speed passes and slow, high-alpha maneuvers alike. The large fuselage offers ample space for electronics and cooling, while the easy-to-assemble modular design supports convenient maintenance and transport. Perfect for intermediate to advanced RC pilots, the Freewing F-22 Raptor blends scale fidelity with jet-class performance, offering a thrilling flight experience that pays tribute to one of the world's most advanced air superiority fighters. F-14 Tomcat. The Freewing F-14 Tomcat twin 80mm EDF jet is a stunning, high-performance RC replica of the legendary US Navy swing-wing fighter, renowned for its variable geometry wings and twin-engine power. Featuring twin 80mm 12-blade EDFs and powerful 6S brushless motors, this jet delivers exceptional thrust, speed, and a realistic turbine-like sound that immerses pilots in true Top Gun-style flying. Built from high-density EPO foam and reinforced with carbon spars and metal supports, the F-14 is both durable and visually impressive. Its signature swing wings can be controlled in flight, shifting between swept and extended configurations for optimal aerodynamics and an authentic flying experience. Functional features include electric retracts with suspension struts, operational air brakes, full-flying horizontal stabs, and deployable flaps for precise maneuvering. With a wingspan ranging from 35 to 61 inches depending on wing position, and a length of over 61 inches, the Freewing F-14 dominates the skies with presence and grace. The modular design simplifies assembly and maintenance, while generous internal space accommodates high-capacity batteries and advanced electronics. Designed for advanced RC pilots, the Freewing F-14 Tomcat delivers scale realism, raw power, and dynamic flight performance, perfect for those who want to pilot a legend. Apache AH-64D. The Apache AH-64D RC helicopter is a highly detailed, ready-to-fly scale replica of the iconic military attack helicopter, designed for RC enthusiasts who value both realism and performance. With a durable plastic composite frame, CNC machined rotor head, and 4-blade main rotor, it delivers excellent stability, responsive control, and authentic looks. Scale details such as missile pods, a Gatling cannon fairing, and LED lighting enhance its visual appeal. Powered by a brushless 4,306 main motor and a 1206 tail motor, the AH-64D offers smooth, efficient, and quiet operation, with strong torque and heat resistance. Advanced onboard flight stabilization systems, including GPS, LiDAR, optical flow, and barometric sensors, enable smart features like one-key return, electronic fencing, and automatic landing. Digital metal gear servos and an 8-channel 2.4 GHz transmitter with telemetry ensure precise control and reliable communication. The helicopter runs on an 11.1 volts 1,800 mAh LiPo battery, providing 10 to 12 minutes of flight time. The package includes the radio system, battery, and charger, making it a complete, ready-to-fly kit ideal for intermediate to experienced pilots. Combining scale realism, modern technology, and high-end performance, the Apache AH-64 DRC helicopter delivers a thrilling and immersive flight experience both visually and functionally. A-10 Thunderbolt II, the Motion RC Freewing. A-10 Thunderbolt II is an impressive full-scale foam EDF jet replica of the legendary Warthog, built for serious RC enthusiasts seeking scale realism and solid performance. The superscale twin 80mm version sports a massive 67 inches wingspan, making it the largest foam A-10 available, yet it remains transport-friendly with modular 10-piece assembly. Constructed from carbon-reinforced chambered foam with plywood ribs and aluminum wing roots, the airframe balances rigidity and lightweight design for agility. Aerobatically capable, it handles tall vertical loops, hard jinks, or slow, controlled flight, even on grassy runways, thanks to its strong landing gear, large foam rubber tires, and design tailored for rough terrain in-flight realism, is amplified by twin 12-blade EDFs, which produce authentic turbine-like sound and robust thrust for both high-speed passes and slow flight. Pilots enjoy full control with flaps, ailerons, rudder, and retractable landing gear with scale struts. And the V2 upgrade adds LED lighting and mission-style ordnance for extra flair. The A-10 also includes pylons, bombs, and decals, completing the combat-ready look right out of the box. Ready to fly in 1 to 2 hours, this PNP powerhouse demands a 7-channel radio, 4S LiPo battery, and brings scale fidelity and performance to the field, perfect for intermediate to advanced pilots. Viper 90mm EDF Jet. The E-flite Viper 90mm EDF Jet is a high-performance electric ducted fan aircraft designed for experienced RC pilots seeking speed, power, and precision. Blending sport jet aesthetics with modern engineering, the Viper 90mm delivers smooth handling and aerobatic agility in a sleek jet-style package. It features a factory-installed 90mm 12-blade EDF unit powered by a powerful brushless motor, providing an impressive thrust-to-weight ratio and turbine-like sound. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPO foam, the Viper is equipped with functional flaps, digital metal-geared servos, and electric retractable landing gear with shock-absorbing struts for confident takeoffs and landings on various surfaces. With Spectrum Smart technology, compatible pilots can enjoy real-time telemetry, such as battery voltage, current draw, and more when using a compatible transmitter. Thanks to its wide flight envelope, the Viper 90mm is as comfortable executing slow-speed passes as it is blasting through high-speed dives. Its well-tuned aerodynamics and AS3X/safe stabilization make it surprisingly forgiving for an EDF jet of its size. Whether you're performing knife-edge passes, smooth rolls, or fast flybys, the E-flite Viper 90mm delivers a premium EDF experience that's both thrilling and refined. F-16 Thunderbirds 70mm EDF. The E-flite F-16 Thunderbirds 70mm EDF is a high-performance, scale replica of the iconic US Air Force demonstration jet. Designed for intermediate to advanced RC pilots, it features a powerful 12-blade 70mm EDF system driven by a factory-installed 3060 to 1900 kV brushless in-runner motor and an 85A Spectrum Avian Smart ESC. When paired with a 6S LiPo battery, it delivers turbine-like sound, speeds over 100 miles per hour, and exceptional vertical performance. Built from durable yet lightweight EPO foam with composite reinforcement, the airframe offers a wide flight envelope, from slow high alpha passes to fast aerobatic maneuvers. Digital metal gear servos, ball link control linkages, electric retracts with shock-absorbing struts, and a steerable nose wheel enhance both precision and durability. Plastic intake strake guards help minimize wear during ground operations. Equipped with a Spectrum AR631 receiver, it includes AS3X stabilization for smooth handling and optional Safe Select for extra flight protection, making it more accessible than many EDF jets in its class. With easy assembly and scale details like a detailed cockpit and pilot figure, this jet offers the perfect blend of performance, realism, and modern technology. It's an ideal choice for pilots wanting speed, agility, and authentic Thunderbird styling in one sleek package. MiG-29 Fulcrum Twin 80mm. The Freewing MiG-29 Fulcrum Twin 80mm EDF is a high-fidelity, large-scale jet that brings the power and presence of the real fighter to the RC park. At 1:9 scale, the airframe measures nearly 74 inches long with a 50-inch wingspan and weighs around 89.5 pounds without batteries. Powered by twin 80mm, 12-blade EDF units driven by 3,658 brushless in-runner motors and paired with 100A ESCs, it can reach speeds up to 120 miles per hour, yet still delivers smooth, scale-like handling in slower flight. Constructed from EPO foam with strategic carbon, wood, and aluminum reinforcement, the MiG-29 balances strength and lightweight design. Its lifting body configuration offers gentle flight characteristics and excellent stability, while large flaps and heavy-duty pneumatic suspension retracts make takeoffs and landings on grass fields more pilot-friendly. Scale details abound, including articulating gear doors, removable pylons stocked with realistic ordnance, LED navigation lights, and bold digital thunder camo complete the look. Designed for intermediate to advanced pilots, it's plug-and-play ready. Assembly takes under an hour, needing only twin 6S LiPo packs and a 6+ channel radio. With its striking appearance, impressive thrust, and robust engineering, the Freewing MiG-29 is a thrilling choice for RC jet aficionados. The SR-71 Blackbird RC model captures the legendary stealth reconnaissance aircraft's sleek, futuristic design and unparalleled speed in a compact, high-performance package. Known as the fastest jet ever built, the SR-71's distinctive elongated fuselage and sharply swept wings translate into an aerodynamic model that excels in speed and stability. Typically built from lightweight yet durable materials such as EPO foam or composite blends, SR-71 RC jets are powered by electric ducted fans, often ranging from 64mm to 90mm, delivering impressive thrust and rapid acceleration. These models emphasize streamlined flight characteristics, enabling pilots to experience thrilling high-speed passes and smooth glides. The SR-71's minimal control surfaces and unique shape make it a challenging but rewarding flyer, best suited for intermediate to advanced pilots. Many versions come equipped with digital servos, retractable landing gear, and LED lighting to enhance realism and functionality. Whether flown indoors in large spaces or outdoors on smooth runways, the SR-71 RC model offers a spectacular mix of historic significance and exhilarating flight performance. It's a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate sleek design and high-speed thrills wrapped in one iconic silhouette. FMS Rafale 80mm EDF. The FMS Rafale 80mm EDF is a sleek, intermediate-level RC jet modeled after the French Dassault fighter, featuring accurate scale details and a Delta Canard design. Measuring about 4.6 feet long with a 38.3-inch wingspan and weighing around 7.2 pounds, it offers an excellent balance of size and performance for thrilling flight experiences. Powered by an 80mm 12-blade EDF unit driven by a Platinum Edition 3280 to 2100 kV brushless in-runner motor and paired with a 100A ESC, the Rafale delivers crisp throttle response, realistic jet sound, and impressive speed while maintaining stable handling. Functional flying canards, flaps, and delta mixing enable precise aerobatics, while built-in LED navigation and landing lights enhance scale realism. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with screws, latches, and quick connects, allowing setup in about 5 minutes. CNC metal, shock-absorbing retractable landing gear, and centrally controlled gear doors and lights add to the model's authenticity. Available as plug-and-play, it can also come equipped with the Reflex V2 flight stabilization system, which offers multiple flight modes for added pilot confidence.